If you're looking for a high-performance business mini PC, SER is a great choice. Powered by powerful processor. Its wonderful performance is more than you can imagine. DDR4 offers greater data integrity and lower power consumption. Enjoy faster read-write speed with NVMe SSD. With the heat pipe and the aluminum sheet, the cooling fan dissipates heat more smoothly. Unique design with large cooling mesh. Better heat dissipation. The whole body is made of black plastic. Lightweight and durable. You can connect 2 monitors at 4K at the same time. It gets more convenient by reducing the number of screen switching. Powerful performance. PS and AI are supported. Is software commonly used in the office. Designed for light gaming. It offers better gaming fluidity. More professional quality. SER can bring you a unique experience.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my mind